Mr. Greg and my coaches. I hope you all good. So this is HBJ and Associates Consultancy Firm, where your financial safety is our priority. HBJ basically is Hardman, Beatrice, and James. HBJ is made up of Beatrice Omondi, myself, who is the team leader, James Odumbe, my assistant, Faith Owade, Aaron Hardman, and Ronald. So Mr. Greg, you did present us with your problem, which was a need for an accounting software. And we have our proposal with us, which is Recon One software. So my colleague James is going to discuss about that. That is our project plan. We are through with our phase 1 analysis, phase 2, which was testing, and phase 3 recommendation and finalization, which we have with us, and ultimately phase 4, which is the software demo, which my colleague James is going to tackle. So these are the software that we did analyze. We did come up with a pool of the software, and out of the pool we chose one which we felt best suits your need, Mr. Greg. So we have front accounting software, we have Dollyback, and we have Wave. Then ultimately Recon One QuickBooks accounting software, which is our proposal. So without any further ado, I will move straight away to our first accounting software, which is Front Accounting. So here is the home page of Front Accounting software. We have the modules. We have the sales module, purchase module, item and inventory, manufacturing module, banking and legend, the setup, where you can set up your company, do anything, add a logo, just anything you want to add in the setup menu. So just by looking at the modules, the interface modules, you say we got manufacturing module and we got item and inventory. That basically tells us that the software best suits manufacturing company or retail companies which focuses more on supply chain management and procurement, because when you just have a look at these menus under these modules of manufacturing, dimension and everything else, look at here, we have sales quotation entry, we have sales quotation inquiry, we got customer transaction inquiry, we got template invoice, we got template delivery. So it's basically good for a company, a manufacturing company, which focuses more on supply chain management and procurement. So it's not actually good for a service providing company that rolls out front accounting software for us. Next is Wave accounting software. So Wave is actually one of the best accounting software so far. It's good for our small businesses. The modules are so easy to navigate through. It suits any company, sales company, service providing company rather, and manufacturing company. So it's actually suits best. So under the sales module, we got estimates. You can have your invoices, draft them, do anything you want to do with them. Under purchases, we got bills. You can pay bills, you can have receipts, product and services, you can add them under accounting. We got transactions, and here we have chart of accounts, where if you fill the charts of account in here, there are some which are missing. You got that option to add your chart of accounts. You can add your chart of accounts, Mr. Greg. So it's a really flexible software, no complications, very easy to navigate through. We did a couple of entries with this software. We have some transactions with us. We did choose Uchumi Supermarket, which is one of the chain stores in Kenya. It's a quoted company owned by the government, listed in Nairobi Stock Exchange. So we took the audited report of 2015 of Uchumi Supermarket. So we made some journal entries from the audited financial statements, and this is actually what we have. We have our expenses, we have liabilities, we have a stock investment, and we just picked a couple of a couple of charts of account from the income statement and the balance sheet, and just did post them in this software. The good thing with this is that you can draft your it can draft your financial statements, give you your income statement, your balance sheet. Yes, so after making those journal entries, here is our income statement with us. So we made the couple of journal entries, and it drafted us with this kind of income statement. So it's actually not a bad software. The bad thing with it, though, is that the good thing is that the first, I'll talk about the good things. It's free, easy to navigate, and any other thing that we've just seen. The disadvantage is that it's so slow, payment takes long, it hangs up a lot. So it's not a good it's not a good deal. You know, free things sometimes become very expensive. So that is the software outline. We also have the balance sheet with us. It actually drafts the balance sheet. So when you want to get to the balance sheet, you just click on the balance sheet, and then you'll just add the relevant date on which you started the transaction, and you see the one in the income statement was correct, so automatically the balance sheet will pop out as I expect it to. So those are the transactions that we had. These are figures from Uchumi audited financial statement of year 2015. So my colleague James will take you through our software of choice, which is Recon One accounting software. So welcome, James.